Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, the store purchases the item from a third-party supplier, usually a wholesaler or manufacturer, and has it shipped directly to the customer. This means the retailer doesn't need to handle the products physically or maintain inventory, reducing upfront costs and risks. Dropshipping has become popular in e-commerce because it allows entrepreneurs to set up an online store quickly and easily without investing in large amounts of inventory. However, it also means the retailer has less control over product quality, shipping times, and potential stock issues since they rely on the supplier's performance. In a dropshipping model, the retailer acts as a middleman, marketing and selling the products at a markup. The profit is made on the difference between the retail price and the wholesale price paid to the supplier. While dropshipping can be a profitable venture, it comes with challenges like intense competition, lower profit margins, and the need to find reliable suppliers. Proper market research, product selection, and establishing good relationships with suppliers are crucial for success in dropshipping. To make money from dropshipping, you need to approach the business with a strategic mindset and put in the effort to build a successful e-commerce venture. Here are some key steps to help you make money from dropshipping. Niche selection. Choose a profitable niche with high demand and lower competition. Conduct market research to identify products that are popular, have good profit margins, and cater to a specific target audience. Build an online store. Create a user-friendly and visually appealing online store. You can use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to set up your store quickly and easily. Optimize the website for conversions and ensure it's mobile responsive. Reliable suppliers. Partner with reliable and reputable suppliers. Research potential suppliers thoroughly to ensure they can deliver quality products on time. Look for suppliers who offer dropshipping services and integrate their inventory and order processing with your store. Competitive pricing. Set competitive and profitable prices for your products. Factor in product costs, shipping fees, and your desired profit margin while keeping prices attractive to customers. Marketing and promotion. Implement effective marketing strategies to drive traffic to your online store. Utilize social media, content marketing, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and credibility with your customers. Respond to inquiries promptly and handle any issues or returns professionally. Monitor and optimize. Continuously analyze your sales data, customer feedback, and website performance. Use this data to identify trends, popular products, and areas for improvement. Constantly optimize your store and product offerings to stay competitive. Scale gradually. As your dropshipping business gains traction and generates profits, consider expanding your product range or exploring new marketing channels. But avoid overextending yourself too quickly. It's essential to maintain quality service as you grow. Remember, dropshipping can be a competitive field, so perseverance, adaptability, and innovation are crucial to long-term success. Continuously educate yourself about e-commerce trends and consumer behavior to stay ahead of the competition and make your dropshipping venture profitable. And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.